Long tail cast on. What I do, I like to leave a bit for weaving ends, and I like to wrap a number of stitches that I'm going to cast on. So let's say I want to cast on 40 stitches. What I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll grab those two bits. I'll have 20, 30, and 40. So here is the tail, and here is the yarn from the ball. Then I'm going to put 2 fingers over here, grab the yarn, move the needle, and pull it towards me. Yarn from the tail, yarn from the ball, grab, pull. We're going into 1 loop and through. 1 loop. That's it.